Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add folder in your GitHub account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in github.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, go to any of your repositories. Now click on add file button here and click on create new file. After that, type in the name of your folder you want name. Then click / on your keyboard. Now type in any file name. You should remember that you should create at least one file to create a folder. Now click on commit changes and again click on commit changes. After that, you can see that you have successfully created a new folder in your GitHub repository. Later on, you can delete this file to make this file an empty folder. So that is how you can add folder in your GitHub account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.